Hi, this is Random Babbling with Sara Hoover. Okay, today we're going to be talking about what I do when I'm, hyper. Now, today I've had a large Sprite. I went to the mall today, so I had a large Sprite, an ice cream, a lollipop, one of those big lollipops, and then a small Sprite, and a Monster. I've had, the caffeine apocalypse! This is what Sara does when she's hyper. Wallet patch. Bag hat. Superwoman worst person. Meow. Meow. Superwoman. Our nose, but rocking back and forth, back and forth. Walk in, smile, creepy. Back bend, fail, fall. Get up, gonna try that again. Back bend, accomplishment, gonna get back up. What? Am I pretty now? Do you love me now? Do you love me now? Turbo wash fake. It won't come off. Dirty napkin. Oh. High five FaceTime. Turtle backpack, ninja push-ups. Ball. Ninja backpack, turtle spin. Well, that's usually the end of that. Okay, thanks for joining me on Random Babbling with Sara Hoover. Bye!